Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the skyrocketing popularity of chia seeds among health enthusiasts? These tiny powerhouses of nutrition, rich in proteins, fibers, omega-3s, and antioxidants, were prized by ancient Mayans and Aztecs for their energy-boosting properties. The name chia originates from the Mayan word for strength, reflecting their belief in these seeds as a source of enhanced endurance. Today, modern science validates this ancient wisdom, acknowledging chia seeds' role in boosting metabolism and maintaining muscle mass. With such a remarkable nutrient profile, it's little wonder that these seeds have passed down from generations, growing ever more popular in recent times. Now, let's delve deeper into the historical significance and energy-boosting properties of chia seeds, cherished through the millennia by cultures around the... What makes these minuscule seeds a veritable powerhouse of nutrients? Chia seeds, mini nutritional marvels, are loaded with dietary fiber for digestive health. Also, they're packed with plant-based protein, a boon for vegetarians and vegans. The protein in these seeds is complete, possessing all 9 essential amino acids. Chia seeds are overflowing with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids too. Plus, they're a storehouse of essential minerals and vitamins, promoting bone health, immune function, and brain activity. Remarkably, they're gluten-free, a great choice for those with gluten issues. Low in calories and high in antioxidants, their fiber and protein aid in weight loss. With such an abundant nutritional profile, it's of little surprise that they are rightfully crowned as a superfood. Digestive problems are regrettably common, wouldn't you agree? A multitude grapple with them, impacting their health. But what if a simple natural solution existed? Yes, it's chia seeds. These tiny, nutrient-packed powerhouses can work wonders for your body. They're known for their high dietary fiber content, a critical factor in aiding digestion. The seeds absorb water and expand in the stomach, slowing food absorption and inducing a feeling of fullness. Furthermore, they transform into a gel-like substance, forming a barrier in the stomach that steadies energy release and stabilizes blood sugar levels. The chia seeds fiber also ensures bowel regularity and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Plus, they boast anti-inflammatory properties. These small but powerful seeds are truly a natural solution for a healthy gut and improved digestion. Many of us recognize the importance of maintaining heart health and constantly look for ways to ensure its well-being. Chia seeds, originating from Central America, gained popularity due to their heart health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health by reducing inflammation and cholesterol, 2 major contributors to heart disease. These nutrients also help prevent arrhythmias and slow the buildup of plaque in our arteries. The versatility of these seeds allows them to be incorporated into various dishes. Incorporating chia seeds into our diets represents a small yet substantial stride towards this ultimate goal. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds not only help maintain our heart's health but also have the potential to enhance its vitality, making them a worthy addition to our diets. Strong bones aren't merely an advantage, they're fundamental for holistic wellness. Imagine an effortless way to fortify your bones: the chia seed. This small, power-packed superfood offers many health benefits, including enhanced heart health, weight control, and reduced inflammation. But its standout feature is the high calcium content, making it a superior source of this mineral compared to many dairy products. Calcium is key for bone health, strengthening them and reducing susceptibility to diseases like osteoporosis. It ensures our body retains its shape and mobility and helps prevent obesity while reducing colon cancer risk and premenstrual syndrome symptoms. High calcium foods like chia seeds aid in maintaining optimal body weight, with or without regular exercise. Hence, integrating chia seeds into your diet can have a profound impact on our bones. These seeds are a storehouse of calcium, which directly contributes to our bone health. If managing your weight is a priority, chia seeds might be your best ally. Originating from Central America, these tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch. Their high fiber content is the star. With nearly 40% of your daily intake in just 2 tablespoons, it can suppress your appetite and reduce overeating. Additionally, fiber supports a healthy digestion, vital for weight management. Chia seeds also offer omega-3 acids, antioxidants, iron, and calcium. Adding them to meals helps manage calorie intake and boosts overall health. To put it simply, if you are serious about achieving your weight management goals, including chia seeds in your diet could be highly beneficial. hydration extends beyond the simple act of drinking water. It's a crucial endeavor to maintain a balance of bodily fluids. Often people link hydration to water intake, yet it's also about managing accurate electrolyte levels. Enter chia seeds, tiny powerhouses known for their tremendous water-retaining property. As they absorb water, they form a gel that slows digestion, consequently supporting hydration and electrolyte balance. Moreover, chia seeds are a rich source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids that boost health. To sum up, hydration goes beyond just drinking water. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can greatly assist in maintaining electrolyte balance and hydration, owing to their impressive ability to absorb substantial amounts of water. For those on a plant-based diet, chia seeds are a gem due to their protein content. They are an excellent protein source, providing 14% protein by mass, an impressive amount for plant-based foods. Protein is key for body maintenance, enzyme and hormone production, and overall growth. Chia seeds offer a complete protein, containing all essential amino acids, a rarity for plant-based foods. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fibers, and essential minerals. Easily incorporated into meals, they blend effortlessly into any dish without altering the taste. The word chia translates to strength in Mayan, reflecting its phenomenal nutritional profile. In conclusion, chia seeds have firmly established themselves as a crucial part of health and nutrition, particularly within plant-based diets. Their high protein content and vital nutrients make them a remarkable superfood and a much-needed addition to any diet, particularly those that are plant-based. Who doesn't yearn for a fountain of youth? Chia seeds may be your answer. These tiny seeds carry a beneficial secret. They're full of potent antioxidants. These antioxidants combat free radicals, harmful compounds that speed up aging. In simpler terms, free radicals damage your skin cells, leading to early skin aging. Antioxidants, like those found in chia seeds, fight these harmful compounds and repair the damage, thus delaying aging signs. What sets chia seeds apart is their polyphenolic antioxidants. These combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and repair cellular damage. Moreover, they boost collagen production, a key protein for skin firmness. Chia seed antioxidants also protect your skin from environmental stressors, lowering the risk of age spots. Therefore, the antioxidants in chia seeds play a pivotal role in preserving skin health and thwarting the aging process. From the grandeur of ancient civilizations to the modernity of contemporary kitchens, the invaluable worth of chia seeds cannot be overstated. Once prized by Aztecs, these tiny seeds, laden with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and proteins, are now a staple in our diets. Their benefits extend beyond weight loss, contributing to a healthy heart. Today, we discussed as a symbol of healthy living, a powerhouse of nutrition. Add them to your diet, be it in salads, smoothies, or as a topping on bread. Share this information with friends and social networks. By subscribing to our channel, you embark on a journey towards superior health. Stay tuned for more health tips, and together, let's march towards a healthier tomorrow, one chia seed at a time. Until our next rendezvous, stay fit and keep exploring the wonderful world.